Good morning everyone. I hope you are fine at home. Now I am back with new lesson, that is sentence. Okay? Now today I am going to teach you about sentence and its kinds. Now what is sentence? Now what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words arranged in a particular order that makes complete sense. Okay, now again I repeat, a sentence is a group of words arranged in a particular order that makes complete sense. Okay, now for example, Jack and Jill went up. Okay, now another example is, my car is black in color. Now look at here, सेंटेंस मीन्स जो वर्ड्स होते हैं, ग्रुप में जो वर्ड्स होते हैं वो इस तरह से हम उनको अरेंज करते हैं विच गिव अस कंप्लीट सेंस. सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल, जैक एंड जिल वेंट अप द हिल. जैक एंड जिल हिल की तरफ गए थे. माय कार इज ब्लैक इन कलर. मेरी कार का कलर ब्लैक है. इट मीन्स ये सेंटेंस मीनिंगफुल है. जो ये वर्ड्स हैं इस तरह से अरेंज किए हैं जिससे हमें कंप्लीट सेंस मिले. Okay, now students, look at here, a sentence has two parts. Okay, a subject and a predicate, right? What is subject? The part which names of the person or the thing we speak about. It means जिस person और things के लिए हम कह रहे हैं, that is called subject. Okay, person or thing. Suppose for example, the big green frog jumped across the lawn. Okay, in this sentence, which is subject? The big green frog. The big green frog. This is subject, and we are talking about, speak about big green frog jump across the lawn. Okay, now in some sentence subject is hidden or given inside the sentence, but most probably subject comes in starting and beginning of the sentence, most probably. But in some sentence given inside the sentence. Look at here, another example. Deep inside the sea lives dangerous shark. Okay, now in this sentence, which is subject and speak about dangerous shark, we are speak about dangerous shark. It means dangerous shark जो है वो सी के डीप इनसाइड यानी अंदर वो रहती है. तो here is our dangerous shark is our subject. Okay, clear? Next part is predicate. Okay, what is predicate? The predicate tells what subject does. It means person or thing क्या एक्शन कर रही हैं, क्या बोल रहे हैं, वो प्रेडिकेट होता है. राइट, फॉर एग्जाम्पल The big green frog jumped across the lawn. Is the same example. Okay. Now the big green frog is our subject. Okay. Now the rest of sentence is our predicate. Okay, because in this sentence subject क्या action करना है, वो jump करना है across the lawn. That is our predicate. Now students, we do practice of few sentences, right? Practice exercise. Underline the subject. Our heading is and circle on a predicate. Clear? Look at here. Number 1 example. A bad workman blames his tools. Number 2, we have done our duty. The next one is the rich are not always happy. Now look at here. First example is a bad workman blames his tools. In this sentence our subject is yes, bad workman, because we are talking about bad workman. This is our subject. And what subject does, it means वो कौन सा action कर रहा है, कौन सा काम कर रहा है. Blames his tools. So according to the heading, circle on a predicate. It means blame his tools. वो अपने tools को blame कर रहा है. It means that is our predicate. Okay. Now another example is we have done our duty. Now in this sentence, which is subject? Here person is given here? No. Thing is given here? No. But pronoun is given here, because pronouns are related to nouns, and you know very well, for living things we use he, she, it, and we is a plural pronoun for person. It means hum. Here we is our subject. Now हम क्या कर रहे हैं? Have done our duty. That is our predicate. Clear? Now another example is the rich are not always happy. Rich, it means the person who has a lot of money. It means Amir log, right? The rich are not always happy. Here we are talking about rich persons. It means the rich. This is our subject, and we are talking about rich. And what does subject does? Subject क्या कह रहा है, क्या बोल रहा है, क्या एक्शन कर रहा है? Are not always happy. That is our predicate. Clear? Now next example is the early bird catches the worm. Okay, here we are talking about early bird. Okay, early bird catches catches the worms. What action early bird does? Yes, catches the worm. First, here we find predicate. And we are talking about, yes, subject. This is our subject. Now, another example is the new girl in the class spoke very confidently. Here, which is subject, you know very well. Yes, the new girl in the class. ये पूरा हमारा जो है वो subject है, right? What action she does? Spoke very confidently. That is our predicate. Now students, here we learn about kinds of sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentence. Okay, number 1 is assertive sentences or declarative sentence. Second one is exclamatory sentences. Third one is interrogative sentences. And the fourth one is imperative sentences. Now students, number 1 kind of sentence is assertive sentences or declarative sentences. Assertive sentence, assertive sentence that state or declare something is called an assertive sentence. Look at here. Assertive sentence that state or declare something is called assertive sentence. Now note, always recall these things. Assertive sentences, these sentences end with full stop, these sentences can be positive or negative. Here, always remember these 2 things. Assertive sentence end with full stop. It means end of the sentence we put full stop, and these sentences can be positive or negative. Positive or negative, it means ये दोनों सेंटेंस अफर्मेटिव जिसको हम पॉजिटिव कहते हैं और नेगेटिव इट मींस जो नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस होते हैं, ये दोनों में हम असर्टिव सेंटेंस दोनों सेंटेंस बोल सकते हैं. नाउ लुक इट हियर स्टूडेंट्स, assertive sentence okay. Now examples of assertive sentences. Number 1, the sun rises in the east. Okay, another example, the sun does not move round the earth. Okay, here I have written here 2 examples. The sun rises in the east. This is a positive sentence. Okay. Another example, the sun does not move round the earth. This is a negative sentence because not is given in the sentence. And one more thing, look at here, these sentence always end with a full stop. Now students, second kind is interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. Okay. Note, always remember these points. These sentences always end with a question mark. Okay, for example, is it raining outside? Number 2, who is this? Look at here, I have written here 2 examples. Is it raining outside? It means क्या बाहर बारिश हो रही है? Here, these sentence always end with a question mark. Even who is this? ये कौन है? Look at here, question पूछा जा रहा है. Again, this sentence end with a question mark. Clear? Now students, today's session is over now. Okay, in next session we will discuss about remaining 2 kinds of sentences. They are exclamatory sentences and imperative sentences. But before that, we recall what we have learned today. We learned sentence, its parts and their kinds. They are assertive sentence and interrogative sentence. Till that, bye bye, take care.